Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Super Guppy indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Super Guppy indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 40 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 476 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the Super Guppy indicator, and you can see it here on screen. It consists of quite a few different visual aspects to it, but really what we are looking for are the arrows here. And so we have red arrows here, and then we have green arrows, let's see, like this here. And so what we are looking for is when we get a red arrow, we are going to go short. When we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. So not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so what I did was I went into the settings and I went ahead and turned off the moving average ribbon on the background there, making it just a little bit easier to actually see the arrows. Alright, so we pick up our first signal right here. It's a short, and pretty much immediately price action takes back off to the upside, which would have stopped us out. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so the second signal we got was a long signal as well, and you can see right here that pretty much like this one, almost immediately as soon as we got the signal, price started pulling back really strong right there, comes down, hits our stop, stops us out on that one. But then we pick up this buy signal right here. Price makes a little push to the downside right here right after we get that signal to the upside, but then you can see that price corrects and then takes off upward there, getting to the take profit. So What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that'll put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over to an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers. You also get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting regular scanner alerts, those crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they're giving away to the patrons for free. They're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they finish up with that, they'll be offering it to all the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so let's take a look at our indicator here, get everything in focus. All right, let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 winning trades. And so that is going to barely meet that 60% criteria. It started off a little rocky right here at the beginning, but then was able to start picking up a little bit more steam, catching some decent little moves in the market. So all in all, not a bad indicator. Maybe a little bit of tweaking of the settings, or a little bit of tweaking of the take profit and stop could increase the win rate of this a decent little amount. Not 100% sure, maybe even on a lower time frame. We'll see. For now, this is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.